So here I am on the Los Peñasquitos Canyon Trail. Just parked on the north rim of the canyon and hiked down this little side trail to the main Los Peñasquitos Canyon Trail. I'm going to take that to a little waterfall that is in the canyon. There's Peñasquitos Creek we can see coming up. There's some other trail runners out today. I'm just out for a short little hike this morning. Had about half a day. Decided to get a hike in. A little gully here. So we'll check out the waterfall and enjoy this beautiful San Diego weather. Once we get down into the valley here, into the canyon, it's pretty nice. There's some trees down here. There's no foliage to speak of because it's early March. But I bet you in the spring and summertime it's beautiful. So anyway, we're gonna check out this little trail and I'll show you the waterfall. Here we go. So this looks pretty cool. We're heading into Sycamore Crossing, into the trees. Nice little break from the heat, although it's a beautiful day. Feels good to be in the shade. It's a light little breeze. Pretty beautiful down here. And back out into the canyon. Looks like we're coming up to the turnoff for the waterfall, and I can actually hear it from up here, so looks like there's definitely going to be some water flowing, so I'm looking forward to it. Well, here I am at Los Peñasquitos Falls. Nice little falls. Not too impressive, but it's a beautiful little place. Really rocky right here. Really nice and cool in the shade by the falls. You can tell that after a couple of weeks of heavy rain, these falls really be pumping. There's lots of boulders that have been fallen into the creek. And it must look pretty impressive after heavy rain, but nice little spot. Waiting for the sun to hit the falls just right, get some more shots. Great place for a lunch. So this is a nice half-day trip. If you're down in La Jolla or North San Diego area and you got about a half a day, this would be a nice little hike for you. Bring a lunch, a couple friends, have a good time. All right, time to head back up. Loving these glasses that my buddy Philippe got me. I can actually see the red dirt. It's fantastic. Nice little picnic spot here. Heading back up to the trail. Nice view of the creek. We're going to check out some smaller falls down the creek a little bit. This is where I came from. I'm on the other side of the creek from the falls. That's where the falls are. So we're gonna head this way and see what else is down here and then head back to the car. So here in the Los Peñasquitos Canyon, if you come down here, remember that there's several ways you can access the falls, several different trailheads or access points from the neighborhoods along the rim of the canyon, especially the north rim. So you can take a trail from any of those points down to the falls and then take a separate trail back. You can make a loop of it because there is a trail that runs along the north side of the creek and a trail that runs along the south side, so it very easily can be made into a loop hike, which is what I'm doing today. Just make sure you have a map with you and you pay attention to where you are, because there are several access roads that have been cut by tractors to access the high voltage lines, power lines along the north rim of the canyon. So you don't want to go up one of those and get lost or be a mile or two from your car. So always good to have a map with you. Pay attention to where you got on the trail and how to get back there. Well, that's going to do it for this trip today. I'm going to pack everything up and head back to the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like it and subscribe and tell a friend. And we'll see you next time on The Unlikely Hiker.